Be nice. Be nice to the bird. Just a baby bird. No, don't bite the bird. Be nice. Be nice. Good boy. This bird must like dogs. The bird just pooped, Max, almost on your foot. No, don't eat the poop. Oh, bird moved. Max, come on. Did you lose interest in the bird? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good dog. Good dog. Just don't hurt the bird. Are you done with the bird? No. Don't bite the bird. This is not Thanksgiving. Give the bird a kiss. Be nice. Are you afraid of the bird? Okay, I hear the mom and the dad. We better get out of here. Okay? Let's get out of here. Let's see if we can get the bird to move a little bit. Whoop. Bird doesn't want to fly. Don't bite the bird. Ooh, the bird just growled at you. Ah, be nice. Let's call it quits, Max. There's mosquitoes here. What kind of bird is it? Leave it. Leave it. See the bird, Max? See the bird? See the bird? You can make friends with the bird? Okay, we're going to put the bird up high so it's safe. Okay. Okay. End of movie.